Absolutely. Adverb. 1. Used to emphasize that something is completely true. Examples. You're absolutely right. He made it absolutely clear. I'm not absolutely certain I posted it. Are you absolutely sure? Training is absolutely essential in this business. Don't delay for longer than absolutely necessary. The place was absolutely packed. It was absolutely pouring with rain. Extra examples. The report seems to be absolutely true. You had totally and absolutely forgotten about it. We both felt we absolutely, positively had to get more information. 2. Absolutely no, absolutely nothing. Used to emphasize something negative. Examples. That man does absolutely no work. There's absolutely nothing more the doctors can do. Extra examples. There are absolutely no likable characters in the show. I knew absolutely nothing about the rules of architecture. They have absolutely nowhere to turn. 3. Used with adjectives or verbs that express strong feelings or extreme qualities to mean extremely. Examples. Absolutely delighted, thrilled. We were absolutely devastated at the news. I absolutely love strawberries. She absolutely adores you. Absolutely fantastic, amazing. He's an absolutely brilliant cook. Extra examples. I was absolutely furious with him. I will be absolutely gutted if we lose on Sunday. 4. Used to emphasize that you agree with somebody, or to give somebody permission to do something. Examples. They could have told us, couldn't they? Absolutely. Can we leave a little early? Absolutely. 5. Absolutely not. Used to emphasize that you strongly disagree with somebody, or to refuse permission. Examples. Was it any good? No. Absolutely not. Can I stay up late? Absolutely not. 6. Not considered in relation to other things. Example. White-collar crime increased both absolutely and in comparison with other categories.